Okay, hey YouTube, Draytec here. Just a brief video on how to change your transmission oil pan on a 2007 Mazda 5 van. Just a little brief explanation here of what you're going to need to complete this job. The bolts you're going to have to be removing is going to be some 10mm bolts. I went to the dealership and got some new ones because when I removed the old ones, some of the heads were stripped. So this is just a little short video. So the pan here, it doesn't take a oil pan gasket, so you're gonna have to use a gasket maker of some sort. Make sure it's rated for oil and all that good stuff. You put it on the bottom here, and then once you take the pan off, this is what it looks like once you remove the pan. And then you gotta clean up that surface area as much as you possibly can. Remove all of that old gasket. This right here is your transmission filter. So if you ever need to replace that, once you pull the pan off, you just rip the gasket out, the filter I should say. Then you put it back in, put your connector back in, clean it up. Yeah. Just make sure you have something to help you clean up the surface. This is what I use. I use my CP angle grinder. Work perfect, So just a little brief video of how to replace your transmission pan. And you're gonna want to go to the dealership and get some OEM transmission fluid for your transmission. We're gonna go pick some more up, but this is what we need: fluid, bolts, gasket maker, because this pan doesn't take a gasket, something to clean up the surface, and you just jack your car up, put on the jack stands, and away you go. But just always remember, if I was you, I'd go to the dealership and buy these bolts ahead of time, so when you pull them out, because most of them, the head gets stripped. So about 7 of them got damaged. They're all right here, like the heads are damaged, so I just store them right there for now. Okay, thanks again, and sorry if the video sucked, but it's just a brief explanation of how to change your transmission oil pan on your 2007 Mazda. And normally there's a splash shield right here, but this car never had one. But you just have to remove them. They're all 10mm bolts, and then some is going to be inside the wheel well there. But thanks again. Thanks for watching.